All right, well, still to come at 7:50, known to protect celebrities' homes, home technology advisors Donnie and Jaclyn Boutwell will be here to teach us about DIYing in-home gadgets yourself. More on that too.
Welcome to Morning Dose.
And still to come, find out how one couple is changing the way we live in our homes through technology. We'll be right back.
I love this. Cool. Stick around.
Welcome back to Morning Dose, everyone. Well, these days we do all of our, or at least try to do our own home DIY projects, right? In an effort to save money.
And you spend so much money because we don't do it right. So that's why we have the experts here. Home technology advisors. Of course, we have Donnie and Jaclyn Boutwell, and they're here to share with us the difference between like DIY and home automation the right way. Thank you, first of all, for being here. We really appreciate it. Why did you guys get in this in the first place?
Well, Donnie's uncle started our company in 1980, so he's been doing it for a long time. About 10 years ago, Donnie came on, and I came in about 6 years ago. People always ask us how we work together and why we would do it, but we work so well at home. It's like it was just a natural progression to do that in the business world too.
Yeah, and now you guys have helped a lot of other people, even celebrities, to kind of outfit their homes with safety, right? What are some of the things you've done? And if you can name drop, go ahead.
Yeah, well, I name drop.
That's the hard part. There's so many people I want to just say names of, but I would be in trouble for that.
Yeah, gotta keep them safe.
Okay. Yeah, because you feel their security and stuff. You can't do that.
Yeah.
So, but first of all, I mean, I love, because I have a Control 4 system, which is something you guys also
Very
sell.
similar.
And the cool thing is about Have Automation, you can control your security, your lights, your entertainment, all of it, and that's just the start. So tell us why people get involved in this and get this at their homes.
Yeah, well, it's about convenience, about making your life easier. We're just trying to make it where you don't have to figure all this junk out. You don't need to have 4 remotes on the counter to figure out how to watch your shows. You just one remote would do it. And Control 4, Crestron, those are great solutions that are a whole home automation platform that's all one system rather than having a whole bunch of DIY ad hoc products that are all not really designed to work together. You can get them to talk to each other sometimes if you want a project.
Right.
If you want to spend all weekend trying to make sure they're communicating and all, synced up and all that, then go DIY.
Not everybody has time for that.
No.
Right, and just to be clear, so those are like the DIY things
stuff,
where
right?
people can get the Ring light, the Ring doorbell, and the Alexa and things like that to talk to you. But you're saying this system, you can have everything at the palm of your hands on one. You got the TV, the cameras, the access system, security, everything in this one tablet or on your iPhone.
That's right, that's correct. And if you want to do voice control, we have a product called Josh AI, and this is just ultra secure. They're not trying to data mine you. They're not trying to get you to buy something online. Their only function is to get you to be comfortable in the way that you live in your home.
And I think what's cool also is that you can also train, especially because we have a lot of women who watch our show, to have their children learn how to operate this as well, to leave them, hands-free from doing other things too, right? So it's easy. It's not hard.
Yeah, it shouldn't be difficult. We believe that systems in your home should be easy to use, and if they're not, then we failed. We have so many tools now to make it easy for you. If it's not easy, then there's something wrong.
Well, you're not going to use it if it's not easy. If you can't walk in and just hit a button and you have to sit there and hit 15 things.
Well, a lot of people are also concerned that their devices may not be compatible. Can you use this and connect this to whatever TV or security system we currently have, or do you have to get that system too?
No, this is that's one of the benefits of Crestron and Josh is that they're both compatible with all kinds of third-party devices, for sure. So
and you will hold people's hand through this because I mean you're mentioning names. You're like, what is that? I don't know what that is, and it's confusing. It's a lot. There's so much technology.
And
there's
we
a lot of it out
that
there.
our products are geriatric approved.
Oh, I love it. No, that's great. That's great. It's easy. And I also have to make mention, you guys are featured in Interiors Texas. Congratulations. That's a huge honor. That's a big deal. How does that make you feel?
It's really cool. We're excited about it. We've got City Book coming up. We're one of the top innovators in Houston, and that'll be out next month. Thank you.
Definitely. We'll have to look at that, and we'll also have to let people know they can just go to your website here on the screen to find more information about the services you guys provide. This is pretty cool.
I love it.
Yes, thank you guys so much for this.
It's on my phone right now. I love it. It's so cool. It's really cool.
Too. All right. Well, before we go, we want to check in one last time with Hannah Maria for traffic and weather together.
We did cards too as well, so hopefully you'll be able to. We'll put them on our our social media pages
you'll
to
see
thank
that.
our friends, because we do have a few friends.
Plus, it's going to get cold, and take your time on the roads out there. See, I got that covered too. Stay traffic and weather together, and the
I
card.
know.
So send a card to a friend. Tell them how much you love them. It's important to do in our everyday life. Don't just text it out to them. Send them the letter.
And one
right?
last time, website to contact you guys.
Mediasystems.com, or our Instagram is Jaclyn and Donnie.
Fantastic. So check them out. If you need all this wonderful help, trust me, it makes your life so much easier at your home.
Yeah,
Trust me. I do it.
We'll
Have
see
a great
you guys
day.
tomorrow.
See you
Have a
tomorrow.
great
Bye,
day.
everybody.
Bye.